Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit the title of your listing on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now all you need to do is to go to the selling so you can find the list of your listings. So we click on selling and here we will find all the listings that we have. Now we will need to edit the listing that you want to change its title. We go to the 3-point action, we click on this button and then we will find edit listing. We click on it and here in this navigation bar or navigation tab, we will find the title of the listing. So now all you need to do is to update the title and then we will click on update so it can save the changes. We click on update and now we will have our listing that changed its title. So as you can see, this is how you can change your title or your listing title on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.